Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. In which city was the 11th World Green Economy Summit 2025 organized? Right answer is option C, Dubai, UAE. Operation Falcon was launched by which Indian state government to safeguard one-horned rhinoceroses from poaching? Correct answer is option B, Assam. As of October 2025, what is the total number of tiger reserves in India? Right answer is option D, 58. In which state will Asia's largest jungle safari park be established? Right answer is option A, Haryana. The Dibrigad Wildlife Sanctuary, recently approved by the National Tiger Conservation Authority as India's newest tiger reserve, is located in which state? Right answer is option B, Odisha. Which village in Gujarat has recently become the fourth fully solar powered village in the state? Right answer is option B, Dhordo in Kutch district. Which high resolution weather forecasting system was launched in India in May 2025? Right answer is option A, Bharat Forecast System. Which state recorded the highest number of vultures as per the latest census? Right option is D, Madhya Pradesh. Which state has recently implemented an AI based real time alert system for forest management, becoming the first in India to do so? Right answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Where has the recently held UN Ocean Conference 2025 in June taken place? Correct answer is option A, France. Which Indian state recorded the highest dolphin count in the Ganga River's first survey? Right answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. In September 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicated India's first bamboo based biorefinery project to the nation at which place? Right answer is option B, Numaligarh, Assam. Kappad and Chal beaches of which Indian state received the Blue Flag certification? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. In the April 2025 census, which national park recorded the highest population of Nilgiri tar? Right answer is option C, Ervikulam National Park, Kerala. Which state became the first in India to link a forest ecosystem to the green gross domestic product? Right answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. The world's largest renewable energy park is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Which protected area in Odisha was recently declared India's 107th national park? Correct answer is option D, Simlipal. Where was the first International Conference on Glacier Preservation 2025 hosted? Right answer is option D, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Khichan and Menar wetlands, which were recently designated as Ramsar sites, are located in which Indian state? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Which state government launched the Vande Ganga Water Conservation Campaign on World Environment Day 2025? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. According to a recent report by the Center for Research on Energy and Clean Air, which is the most polluted city in India? Right answer is option C, Birnihad. The theme of World Environment Day 2025 was based on which concept? Right answer is option B, beat plastic pollution. Which Indian state has recorded the highest number of bird species during the Great Backyard Bird Count? Right answer is option B, West Bengal. Jinji Fort, which was recently declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is situated in which Indian state? Right answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. The International Day for Biological Diversity 2025 was celebrated on which date? Right answer is option C, 22nd May. Which country developed the world's most powerful hydrogen train engine? Correct answer is option D, India. In which location is India setting up its largest green ammonia project, a major step towards clean energy production? Right answer is option D, Gopalpur, Odisha. Kanger Ghati National Park, recently added to UNESCO's tentative heritage list, is located in which state? Right answer is option B, Chhattisgarh. Which location was recently declared Gujarat's first biodiversity heritage site? Right option is C, Guneri Inland Mangroves. In which district of Uttar Pradesh was the foundation stone of India's first biopolymer plant laid? Right answer is option A, Lakhimpur Kheri. Where was India's first white tiger breeding center set up? Right answer is option C, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 10th rank. India's first overpass wildlife corridor has been constructed on which expressway? Right answer is option A, Delhi Mumbai Expressway. In which city will India's first PPP green waste processing plant be set up? Right answer is option B, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Where is the Madhav National Park, India's 58th tiger reserve, located? Correct answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. India's first butterfly sanctuary, officially established in June 2025, is located in which state? Right answer is option B, Kerala. Who was honored with the Ramsar Wetland Wise Use Award as the first Indian recipient? Correct answer is option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. Which state in India has set up the country's first Make in India green hydrogen plant? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. In which location was India's first green hydrogen hub project officially inaugurated? Right answer is option B, Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Where was the world's first carbon dioxide to methanol conversion plant recently inaugurated? Right answer is option A, Vindhyachal, Madhya Pradesh. Which state government has set up the Great Indian Flamingo Sanctuary? Right answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. What is the total count of Ramsar sites officially recognized in India as of November 2025? Right answer is option D, 94. Which city is said to become the world's first to be fully powered by renewable energy? Correct answer is option B, Amaravati, Andhra Pradesh. Varkala Cliff, recently included in UNESCO's tentative list of World Heritage Sites, is situated in which Indian state? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Which Indian state will establish the country's first night safari at Kukrail? Right answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. India's first Dugong Conservation Reserve, now recognized by IUCN, is situated in which region? Correct answer is option A, Park Bay, Tamil Nadu. Which Indian cities were added to the list of 31 wetland cities globally in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, both A and B, Udaipur and Indore. Where is the world's first ceramic waste park named Anokhi Dunya being established? Right answer is option B, Khurja, Uttar Pradesh. Where was the 15th COP of the Ramsar Wetland Convention held recently? Right answer is option A, Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. The newly declared Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which Indian state? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Which state is home to India's first organic fisheries cluster? Correct answer is option C, Sikkim. In which Indian state is the Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve recently added to UNESCO's World Network of Biosphere Reserves located? Correct answer is option A, Himachal Pradesh. Where was India's first Himalayan High Altitude Atmospheric and Climate Center launched? Right answer is option A, Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir. India's first underwater museum and artificial coral reef was launched in June 2025 in which state? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. Which country will host IFCO's first overseas nano fertilizer plant? Right answer is option B, Brazil. Jhajjar Bacholi Wildlife Sanctuary in Punjab will soon be developed into which type of safari? Right answer is option C, leopard safari. Which state government has announced 2025 to 2035 as the decade of hydropower? Right answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Which city has now become India's leopard capital by surpassing Mumbai? Right answer is option A, Bengaluru. In which state was India's first vulture conservation portal launched for the protection of vultures? Right answer is option B, Assam. The 44th Indian site to be added to the UNESCO World Heritage List is which one of the following? Right answer is option B, Maratha Military Landscapes. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.